Welcome to Midlife Flysis. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, or leave a comment. I read and answer them all. If you are interested in any of the flies I use in the video, or in a guided trip with me, visit my website, link in description, or email me. I'd be happy to tie some flies for you, or have you as a guest for a day.
Tangled. That doesn't help things. Got him. Nice size too. And there were 3 more. Did you see him spook? Yeah, they went downstream. Oh, that's a fat one. Dog's breakfast. I like that. Yep, that's the one. There's sinking down. That seemed about perfect. Got one? Nice.
As crazy as it sounds, I was just kind of retreating.
Yeah. Oh, she's got some colors.
It's mine. Nice.
Nice. Decent size, man.
Yeah, nice size.
Got some good ones, yeah. Nice.
There you go.
Well done, my friend.
Get that monkey off the top.
That's right. Craig just showed me this wicked pool. It's full of whitefish. Don't knock the whitefish. Whitefish are cool. Hopefully you can see them all on the camera there. Tons of them. Damn it. I saw his mouth open. Nice. On the dry or on the net? Oh no! That sucks. Oh. Here, I was trying to move back to get at him. Now they're moving forward again. Got him! Boy, I saw the whole thing, watched him move open his mouth. Fish on, the fish on. Now, what did he take? I think he took the hot wire. got some good fight. Whitefish.
So there we go, that's not a bad fish.
Got a hot wire on the top, a never fail stone in the middle, and a dog's breakfast on the bottom. And he took the hot wire. Come over here and give these ones a crack. You gotta be able to get your indicator right out over these.
Here's another reason I like fishing with Craig. He notices things I don't see, like these dams that somebody had built along the river. There's just no reason to do that. Don't mess with Mother Nature's plan. Altering the course of a river can have some very unintended consequences.
No. That cut looks like he's got something stuck in his face.
Right?
They're just not feeding. It's just going right through them. Oh, and I got another. It's all bunged up again. Okay, one more legit drift with it not all tangled. Oh, I saw him move, his mouth opened. Oh, I should have waited till I felt him. It was a whitefish and I saw his head move. Hey, oh, now the cut was looking at it. Yeah, maybe take a plug at those. Oh, got one. You're gonna have a bunch moving your way. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to move up to net him. Spawning. You can see the eggs.
Just in the belly?
Yeah, in the belly. Oh, she got off. Yep. Took the fly. So, barbless fly stuck in her belly, but she'll lose that soon enough. Yeah, they're running. Yeah.
All right, what are we drinking today? Athabasca Wit. Athabasca Wit.
Oh, a Hefeweizen. I love Hefeweizen. Love them.
Yeah, It's definitely one of my favorites.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. That's crisp. I like that.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Crisp, just like the
I was
morning
gonna say
was.
coriander or cinnamon. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
good. Yeah. Nice.
I often don't read the ingredients. That tastes really
It tastes
good.
really
I'll just
good.
keep going.
Yeah. Hint of orange and coriander.
I think we earned that today.
Yeah, we did a lot of walking,
Certainly did.
a lot of fishing, not as much catching.
No.
Still did. Still caught some. That pool was just maddening, though.
There was a lot
Oh,
of
were there
fish.
30 fish in there?
At least.
Yeah.
Yeah. I had lots of luck on that pool a lot earlier in the year, but I had one bite. You caught two
Yep.
out of there. I had one bite, lost it, but
2 whitefish.
yeah.
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 Pretty sure you had the cut because you were
I
up
think
front.
I did. Yeah. But it's nice to see that number of whitefish in there.
Yep. Sign of a healthy river. There weren't any small ones.
Oh
They
no.
were all big.
No, they were big.
The smallest would have been 14 probably in there.
I would
Yeah.
venture to say so. I don't think there was anything much smaller than that.
No.
Both cuts and
And,
whitefish.
yeah, they were all big. All big.
But what a difference, pretty much, I'd say 4 or 5 weeks makes in
Yeah.
the flow of the river. Yeah, it's probably down at least 8 to 12 inches for
Yeah.
sure.
Well, and on the Rivers app, it was saying it was low, like
Yeah.
below normal. But we haven't had any precipitation to
No.
speak of.
No. But even the holes that looked promising,
Nothing in
nothing.
them.
No.
I mean, and we know there was nothing in them. You could see all the way to the
That's
bottom.
all the way.
Nothing.
Yeah, it was crystal clear today, that's for sure.
I don't know.
That's okay.
Yeah.
We
We found enough.
Yep.
Didn't get skunked.
And that one that you caught up further up was nice.
Yeah, nicely colored. That one.
Definitely, surely, it had to be a pure west slope.
Yeah.
That was a beautiful fish.
I would have to think those falls are a significant barrier to anything going up and hybridizing.
Yeah, I think what's up there is
It's pretty native.
pretty much pure and untouched, and you just kind of hope it stays that way.
Stays that way. Yeah. Now the bugs. Look at all the
I know.
bugs now.
I was just looking at that.
Jeez. Big drakes too.
It was on that one little stretch over there. There was lots, but I couldn't coax that other one out of there. That's okay. We'll
Oh,
come
well.
back. Come
That's
back
right.
next year and get
Get at them earlier.
yeah.
I mean, if we'd have, well, like you
Late.
say, when you were here the last time, it was busy.
And it was midweek too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, hopefully